In this video, I'll show you how to see who viewed your TikTok video. This is useful if you want to track TikTok video viewers, understand TikTok profile views, and check your TikTok engagement insights. First, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for Profile View History or Post View History. It will be different in my mobile phone. First, show Privacy, so click on Privacy. Scroll down, then click on the View History. Tap on it and turn the feature on. This allows you to see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days and which followers viewed your posts within 7 days. Keep in mind, both you and the other person must have this feature enabled for it to work. And that's it. This is how you check who viewed your TikTok videos and profile activity. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips, growth hacks, and how-to tutorials.